So in this video we're going to look at how we can display an icon without the actual value. So on this table of pets I have a column called muzzle, and it's simply a yes/no field, and I have a display rule that shows a green or red icon depending on its status. So if I didn't want to actually display the word yes or no, there's a couple of ways I can do this. First of all, locate the table, click on the muzzle column, and where I have my display rule saying if muzzle is yes, display a tick that's green, I could add a text color to be white for both the values, and that will work unless you have alternate color rows. So if you're using alternate rows on your table for, as you can see here, grey and white, but I'm just going to save that, refresh. We end up with, when you hover over, because I'm using a blue hover over, you can still see the text coming through. So that's not really ideal. Also, the icon isn't centered in the column, so I can try and get around that by clicking on muzzle and saying, okay, well, I'm just going to centerize that. But because the text is still there, it will still leave the icon on the left hand side. So once again, hasn't really changed anything. So another way around this, if you go to the records, to the object, I added another column here, which is just a short text field. I've just called it a display icon. It's just a field used in the live app to show an icon based on a rule. So if I just go to the view here, you can see it here. It's just a short text field. So go into my pages and go to my view, add the column, and I'm just going to drop that in next to it. So a couple of things to do. I'm going to remove the word display icon. I'm going to set it to a custom width of 50 and center it and add a rule. And it's the same rule. The rule is where muzzle is yes, display an icon. I'm going to go for a check mark that's green, and to then copy that rule and do the opposite. Say if it's no, display an icon that is cross and make that red, and save that. Back to my live app and do a refresh. I now end up with a field with just the icon and no text. So it looks a little bit smarter, hopefully a little bit easier to implement. I hope that's of interest and you're able to use that within your app.